My goodness, this is the program for you. If you want to make a difference in your life, if you want to fulfill a dream, if you want to make a plan and have it come to fruition, absolutely, absolutely join a program like this.
I just took the leap of faith, and it was the best thing that I could have done. The growth that I have had has been monumental, and the accountability that she holds us to is, I don't feel that I would be thriving the way that I am if it wasn't for her.
And I couldn't believe how much just that one simple exercise affected me so much, and especially just to be connected with people who are kind of in the same boat.
Because I'm so new at this, I didn't think I had anything to share, but I realized that where I am right now is a long way from where I was. I know about a lot of these principles, but in the past, I haven't been able to implement it. With the tools that you get in Life Mastery course and of course this workshop, I feel I have what I need to keep going back to. And the biggest one though, for sure, is the energy and the dynamic and the love that Stacey creates. It is so powerful.
I needed somebody outside that was positive, and she's the most positive lady I've ever met. And it's helped me to release all that negative energy going forward, be more confident in who I am.
And the changes that resulted in my life from applying some of the lessons that I learned here were transformational. They really were. Yesterday somebody said to me, believing in what Stacey says is kind of like believing in magic, and that is how the last 6 months of my life have felt. The changes that have happened are nothing short of astonishing. Really and truly. In health, in money, in career, in relationships, across the board, my life doesn't look anything like it used to.
The investment of the money and the time is I'm just so worth it, and whoever wants to think about doing it, you're worth it, totally worth it. Do it.